Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel The Beauty Company. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to review Inside Cosmetics HD Concealer. This is their new launch in the range and so I am very excited to share my reviews with you guys. So if you're interested to know the complete tea about this product, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. Recently, Inside Cosmetics have launched their new concealer range and it is their Inside Cosmetics HD Full Coverage Concealer. This comes in a total of 6 shades and it retails for rupees 230 and you get 9 grams of product in it. It is available on Amazon and Purple very easily. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. You can see here they have given a shade chart wherein you can identify and match your shade depending upon your undertone and your skin tone, and over here they have displayed a picture how to use this concealer, on which area you can use this. So if you're a beginner, this can be a little bit helpful for you. And I picked up the shade MN35. Well, there was only one shade with yellow undertone and that was MNY20. I thought that MNY20 would be too light for my skin tone, so I thought sometimes neutral does work for me. That's why I got MN35. Once you pull in the inner packaging, it looks something like that. You can see that it is transparent. You get a very nice white cap and it looks very expensive. The packaging is not cheapy at all and you can compare this with any high end. So I have got my Tarte Shape Tape, then I have got my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, also I have got my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is how the doe foot applicator looks like. It is quite huge and I think this is very nice to fit into the areas wherever you want to conceal. I'll just compare the doe foot applicator with the rest of them so you can see it by yourself. These three are quite thick and this is little bit thin. They have given a very nice doe foot applicator. It is not too thin or too thick and it will fit to the right areas and you can conceal it very nicely. Now let's read out the specification that the brand has mentioned. So I am on Amazon website and they say that coated pigments immediately conform and set to skin to diminish the appearance of dark circles, fine lines and imperfections. The smoothing cream liquid easily blends, instantly capturing and diffusing light so that skin that appears bright and flawless all day. Breakthrough self-setting formula provides high buildable coverage and second skin satin feel to give 12-hour crease free wear. Well, we will all see this in today's demo. So now let's get straight into the demo. Before we begin with the demo, I would like to say that today I have compared the Inside Cosmetics HD Concealer with the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer just to see that how a full coverage concealer performs with a medium coverage concealer, because these two comes under very affordable range and I could not think of any other concealer which is as good as the Swiss Beauty one. I thought this is the right time to compare these both to see how they both perform. So now let's get started with the demo. On the left hand side I used my Inside Cosmetics concealer and on the right hand side I used the Swiss Beauty one. So I placed the concealer under my eyes, around my mouth and nose area, and as I was trying to blend it out with a damp beauty sponge, I could see that the formulation was very thick enough. It sets pretty quick and you will have a very hard time to blend it out. If you give a minute or two, the concealer will set on its own and it will give you a patchy mark that will not budge, that will not blend on its own. Whereas the Swiss Beauty one, because the formulation is so creamy, so light, it just does the job on its own. You will not have any difficult time while blending it. Even if you keep the concealer for 5 minutes straight, it will still blend out like a dream on your face. Talking about the coverage of Inside Cosmetics one, if you are someone with dry skin type, then this can cling to your dry patches. This does not cover your darkness or blemishes in one go. You will have to go with couple of layers to cover that darkness. Now I had gone with 2 layers to cover the darkness around my mouth and under my eyes area, because in one layer I could see the darkness was peeking through. I could see that it was visible enough, my veins was visible, everything was visible, so I had to go with the second layer. Whereas the Swiss Beauty one layer was enough for me. It had given me a very nice coverage, because I wanted to give both the concealer a fair shot, and because I'm comparing them both, so I had to go for a second layer. And even second layer just blended like a dream. It just did its work on its own. I had no difficulty whatsoever. Now talking about the crease free formula, I would not agree to that claim also, because this has creased very badly under my eyes area, because this has got a very thick formulation. It is supposed to be a full coverage concealer. This will tend to crease and this will settle in your fine lines. I can also see the concealer has rubbed off from my inner corner eye area, and it is nowhere to be seen. I cannot see any concealer over there, so I'm wondering where is that concealer that I have applied earlier. Whereas the Inside Cosmetics one, I cannot see any creases whatsoever. It has not settled into my fine lines. The concealer is still intact and it is still there, and it is making my face look so flawless that I do not think that I will have to go and buy a full coverage concealer, because Swiss Beauty does the job for me. So why will I go and settle for a full coverage concealer wherein it is not crease proof, it is settling in my fine lines, it is rubbing off the concealer. I will not buy such concealer. Alright you guys, so here comes the moment wherein I'll give you my final thoughts, what I think about this product, whether it is worth buying or do I recommend it or not. So let's get started. Firstly, if you are a beginner and want to try out this product, I would suggest that start working in section by section. That way you will not have any difficulty while blending it out, and that way you will not have any kind of patchy marks. Secondly, if you are someone with very dry skin type, and if you have not moisturized your face very well, then this can cling to your dry patches, making your base look very bad, very weird, and it will not give you a flawless base. Thirdly, as it is mentioned by the brand that this has a satin finish, it is nowhere to be seen that this has a satin finish. It is completely a matte formula that has got a thick consistency and that feels very heavy on the skin. Right now I have been wearing this makeup for 5 hours and I can feel heaviness on my skin on the left hand side, because under my eyes I can see the concealer has creased very badly. It has rubbed off the concealer. Also I can feel that my under eyes is feeling very heavy, very dry and tight. Around my mouth and nose area also I can feel the same tightness. It is making me very uncomfortable. I do not like such kind of finish or formulation. It is not completely crease proof. Though I have set it with the powder very well, still it creased on me very badly. So if you are someone who have got very fine lines on their face, then this can settle into those lines and you will have to go couple of times by blending it out and setting it out with the powder. This has a medium to buildable full coverage. It is not full coverage at one go. You will have to layer couple of times to give you that coverage. Now frankly speaking, I do not understand the shade range that they have included, because only one I could find with yellow undertone. That too is very light for my dusky skin type, because nowadays generation are more educated. We have beauty gurus who have educated us to find our correct undertones to match our foundation perfectly. So brands should do their research before they come up with new complexion products. That way we can try out more inexpensive affordable brands and we can experience their product. I know you all must be waiting whether I recommend this product or not, so I would definitely recommend it to you all if you want to experience and want to know how this product is actually. But there are few its and bits that I wanted to focus, which I wanted to share in this video. If it does not suit me, doesn't mean that it will not suit you also. So you can definitely go ahead and give this product a try and let me know in the comments how you like it. Alright you guys, so this is it for today's video. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to turn the bell button on because nowadays I upload every new video twice a week. Please don't forget to share with your friends and family, and I will see you soon on my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.